screaming out an awful lot. There's some pretty kind of unattractive lumps of fat to build them, which you don't see. You can create a wonderful sense of privacy, but it also means that you can choose which views you want to keep and which
Leave! Oi!
3 months into the renovation of this
I just caught my camera drinking out my teacup.
less successful keeping the budget. Katie's had to hit the discount shops for end-of-line designers.
Do you think I can eat my tea now? Go away! Go away now! Ah!
Milo, chef.
I don't think it's worth putting a fireplace in just for it to look. We're not really paying a fortune to get it fixed up. So that's automatically a lot of money off for us off the budget.